Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change font color on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate. In your home menu, click on design and select site styles, and now select colors. Then select the palette that you want to change. You will be able to see the selected palette of your section in the top right of each section. So I'm going to changing this navigation links color. So I'm selecting this first palette and clicking on navigation links and selecting custom. And I'm selecting red color, and here you can see the font colors have been changed, and click on save. So this is how we can change font color in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Animate. Thank you for watching.